Hello friends, artist resin Sudha here. How are you all? After so long. So I got a parcel from Australia from Beatrice Brown. She sent me this parcel long ago and I got it on this Saturday evening. I guess I was at office, so my father-in-law had received it, but yeah, I wasn't not feeling well since that day, so I thought I'll unbox this on Sunday. But that day also went quite busy and still I was not feeling well, so and Monday also came, so we have festivals going on. The day came and it just went too. So since yesterday, Monday evening, I started feeling well. Sorry for the noises. This one will be a raw video. So I got this huge parcel. So let's cut it. I'll be preserving the stamps that she has applied here. So let's see what's in it. Thank you so much, Bubbly Didi. I call her Bubbly Didi, and we all others know her as Beatrice Brown. Let's sorry, Didi, I could not open it earlier. She didn't want me to tag her, but I insisted if she allowed me to tag her in this video. Thank you so much, Vicky. This really made my day. Oh my god. Look at the mold. So many molds are there. These are poster molds, flower poster molds, or similar ones. Sorry, I think glitter has come out in the package, as they handle very leniently, I guess. But it's amazing. Thank you so much, Gigi. And silicone. Wow. I was about to buy these molds. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. That's my mold. So these are 5-inch agate mold. 4 of these. Thank you so much. That's and wow. So this is glitters. It's a whole lot of treasure. And these are holographic glitters. Sorry. All are holographic. Wow, and amazing colors. That's a lot, DJ. I don't know how I can. What can I do for you? She always says you don't have to do anything in return, but I feel like that's a lot. I cannot express myself. Really gorgeous. All the glitters are fabulous, Didi. Thank you so much for so many things. So many things. This really made my day. I was waiting for the moment to open this on camera. She did ask me not to open this on camera, but I wanted to share it with you all. So here are some snippets too. That's so many. My daughter is asking for this. Okay, wow, it's a clay mold with agate edges. So this has 2 sizes. One big, one small. That's a lot, baby. I was planning to buy agate simple ones, more pickets. I'm not doing it. Dandu. Some small silicone cups. 3 are there. This is also poster mold. Both are similar. Oh, so many things are there. Oh my god. More glitters. Isn't this fabulous? So, some have come out a bit in the transit. So, smaller one, sorry. But look at this.
10 minutes हो गए, 10 minutes.
I'll be showing you these one by one. So many amazing pictures. Wow, love this. Some pigments. Oh my god. So many beautiful colors. I think I will add the photos too in the end. Look at this gorgeous. What?
उसमें ग्रीन ग्रीन क्या है? ग्रीन ग्रीन.
All of that. Look at these colors. So many awesome goodies in this one. So let me keep these aside, and few more items are there. So this was the glitter bag, glitter plus pigments bag, and this too has some glitters, and I'll add the photos of this one in the end. Some pigments. Oh my god. Let's see. These are from resin. Thank you so much, Didi. Wow. I never thought I would get these in my hands. These are resin. Wow. Resin.
क्या होता है?
Brand. It's a brand. Some more glitters plus neon pigments. It's so much. I don't know how to. I want to do something for you, Didi. See how many. How awesome are they? Sorry. I don't have quiet moments here. So yeah.
Same.
Some more glitters. One more neon pigment. Very nice. Harry. Some more glitters. How amazing are these? Really so happy. I'll be taking photo of these, and so that you can see them much better. I think the video won't be that much good. So let's look at this Kavachan mold. I thought the video will be very small, but so these are the Kavachan molds. Very nice. Thank you. Yay! Beautiful. And poster and the fan notes. Wow, it's very nice. Really pretty. So thank you so much, Didi, for all these goodies. I don't know what to say. Thank you so much again, and I'll be ending the video, and I'll be posting some photos of these goodies too in the end. Thank you so much for being here for this long. Thank you so much. Namaste. And now let's take a look at all the stuffs one by one. After unboxing, I was short of words. Actually, I could not find correct words to describe my happiness and thankfulness towards you, Didi. So thank you so much once again for sending me such a big happy mail. I will attach her channel link in my description. You all can go through her channel. She is a blooms queen and also makes other resin and acrylic fluid artworks too. So go check out her channel. Thank you so much for watching today's video. See you all next week. Bye.